Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, mesarastarr. Thank you so much for being here today. I have a Amazon Prime, I was almost going to say Prime now, but no, this is Amazon order I did online and I waited 2 days to get. It's more gloves. So I have gotten some really positive feedback about the gloves that I'm wearing. And so I wanted to go ahead and I ordered 2 more pairs. So I want to show you what I got. And so I just opened it like this, but I haven't tried them on yet and they look so pretty. So I want to go ahead and show you. So they came like this. So I ordered, it was a deal, and I'll link the link up below in my description box. But it's, I think it was $10.99 or less than $12 for 2 gloves. Sorry, I should know that before I start this video, but really good deal. And so it was you can order them separately for gloves, or you can order them as sets. I chose to get them a set because that gives me more options. So it comes like this, just like this, wrapped up, very nicely done, like very nicely wrapped up. So like I said, I wanted to expand my glove wardrobe, as you could call it. So anyway, I picked up, there's 2 colors I chose. I chose this like off-white, I guess I would say that is off-white, and very, very pretty. And it has like a bow on the bottom, just like these do. These have bows, which I really love. I think that's so pretty. And these also have, I can also link the affiliate link to, my affiliate link to, to the bottom of in my description box. But these also have really nice little things so I can use my cell phone when I'm using this. So those, like, I forget what these are called. Those little, I'm not sure what those are called. Anyway, this is more of like a antique color, like a cream. So this is really pretty too. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. I like that it comes in like a carrying pouch, so I can just put them back in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on then. I hope they fit. I mean, my hands aren't huge. My hands are not huge, but I hope they fit, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and slip these on and let you guys see what they look like on. I have not tried them on yet. So, and they also have they look just like these. So they're a little bit differently made because see, the ribbon on this one is in the middle and then the ribbon is on the edge of this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you and show you what they look like on. Like I said, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you. I love both colors. They also have like black ones online. They have a lot of different colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. I just wanted to get the more neutral colors, but I might get a black pair, and they have like red, blue, like I have so many beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, these are really comfortable. These are almost more comfortable than the ones I'm wearing, but they're about the same, you know? I feel like these have more, these have a little bit more give to, they're a little looser. They feel more comfortable on, but these ones are so comfortable, the gray ones. These just feel like a little bit more looser, which feels better. So here we go. These are the, I'll call these the, what, do they have a name for the color of these? Okay, 2 pairs. No, there's no color for this. But like I said, I'll put the link down below to these. So if you are interested in ordering yourself a pair, you can just click on the link. But here it is the color that I'm wearing. This is so pretty. These are so pretty. I love these. These are my new favorite ones. So it's fun to be able to switch them up. I might end up ordering the black ones, or like I think they have, the different companies sell gloves obviously on Amazon. So I don't know if this maker has them in black or any other different colors, but it'd be nice to have different, colors to choose from. Anyway, so I really like these. Yeah, so these are really beautiful. And like again, here again is the white ones, or off-white ones, I would say. They're really, I'll open up the package so you can see them better. So there might be a reflection on the plastic, but there they are. They're just so delicate. They're just so pretty. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here and show you, the new sets of gloves that I ordered. And like I said, I am kind of like really liking gloves now. I'm like I said, I had to have them. Like I've mentioned in several of my other videos, I needed to have some gloves to I had some treatment done on my hands, and so I wanted to hide the couple of the bandages that I had on. And so now I kind of like really like gloves a lot, actually. I feel like they're very like, I don't know, I just feel like they're fun to wear. They kind of are a great accessory. And so even when my hands are all done with their treatments, if I'm going to get any more treatments, I'm not sure yet, but I might just wear gloves, you know, every now and then too, because they're really fun to wear, actually. These are really comfortable. These are so comfortable. Anyway, I hope you like them. I'm like, like I'm trying, yeah, sorry, excuse me. I'm like having too much fun with these. So like I said, now I own a pair of gray ones, which are so pretty. I own a pair of gray ones. I own these, and now I own these. So 3 pairs. So yeah, so with that being said, that's my Amazon Prime Now, or not, I want to say not Prime Now, excuse me, just Amazon Prime order that I did, and this was, like I said, less than $12 for these 2 gloves. Amazing. And I hope it was less than I believe it was less than $12. So anyway, so about $6, a little bit less than $6 a pair of gloves. Amazing, right? So anyway, thank you again for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my video on my gloves, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you again for being here and for all your support. I just love doing what I'm doing, and I love being here with you guys. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys really soon with my next haul. Until next time, take care. Bye.